Hello everyone, welcome to analyticsspike YouTube channel. Today's video, I will discuss about how to track Facebook pixel page view event tracking with a GTM. GTM means Google Tag Manager. Let's start this video. Firstly, I will discuss about how to connect Facebook pixel ID on WP. WP means WordPress website. Let's start. Firstly, search on Google Tag Manager, then click first website. Then go to here. Then click create, then click tracks, then click new, then click cancel icon, then search on Facebook. Search on Facebook. Nothing here. Then go discover more tag types in your community template. Just wait a little bit. Then search on Facebook. Then find up this Facebook pixel tag. Then add to workspace. Then click add. Then paste here Facebook pixel ID or Facebook pixel ID or dataset ID. Then go to event manager. Then copy this pixel ID or dataset ID. Then paste here. Then go to here enhance e-commerce data layer integration. No need for this event. Then go to page view event name standard. Then select page view. If you want to track add to cart, then you need to select add to cart. Add to cart. If you want to track purchase, you need to select purchase. If you want to schedule a meeting, you need to select schedule. I want to track Facebook page view, and then select page view. Then go to here, scroll down, and triggering, click triggering, and select all pages. Then given a name like this, page view track, and click save. Then go to your website, search on Google Meta Pixel Helper extension. This is this extension. Then add to Chrome, add extension. Then click in, then go to your website, then reload. Refresh your website page. Then go to Tag Manager, then preview, click preview button. Then paste your website URL. This is my website. Then connect. This is my website preview button. Then click Meta Pixel Helper. This is my Facebook Meta Pixel ID. I already corrected WordPress website. Then click Google Tag Manager debug view. If I check my Facebook page view tracking event, track is fired. Everything is okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, you can check video description and ask me any question comment box. Thank you.